YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a Maven Java project in VS Code. So guys, if you want to create a Maven Java project in the VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you setting up an environment. First of all, install the Java development JDK. If you have already, so open your VS Code and navigate to the extension, then click the option of pack for Java. Then confirm Maven is installed in typing nvm-v in your terminal. After that, simply create a new project and type Maven create a project and select the object. Then choose a Maven archetype like Maven archetype.quickstart and select the latest version for the archetype. Then provide a group ID common.mycompany.app and specify the project location where you want to save it. Then confirm the project creation and VS Code open the new workspace. Navigate the Maven project structure, locate the XML file at the project root, the file define project dependency and build lifecycle, explore src main Java folder for your main source code, find the src test Java folder for unit test, app.java is your main application or entry point. Compiling and packaging with the Maven. So open the integrated terminal in the VS Code, navigate to your project root directory if already there, execute Maven cleaning install to clean the compile and the package. A target directory will create a containing the jar file confirming the build success message in the terminal output. Running your Java application, locate the java.app, click the option of run button and run Java code lines above the main method. Alternatively, you use the terminal java.cp slash my first app snapshot.jre file and .aap files. Then you verify the hello world output appear in the terminal. So you can also use the debugger for the Java by setting the breakpoints. Okay. Pro tips: keeps your POM.xml file clean and well organized. Regularly update your Maven dependencies. Explore the Maven sidebar in the VS Code and commit your POM.xml to version control, but exclude the target folder. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you.